In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Canva template size. We will go through each click together so your design ends up at exactly the dimensions you need. First, open your Canva template. Start by signing in and going to your Canva homepage where you see all your recent designs as thumbnails. Click the design you want to resize so it opens in the editor, with the canvas in the center and the toolbar around it. Make sure it is the exact template you want to change because we will be adjusting this specific file. If you accidentally open the wrong design, simply go back to the home page and pick the correct one before moving on. Once your design is open, click Resize at the top. Look along the bar above your canvas, next to the file name, and find the button labeled Resize. It usually sits near the center or toward the right of that top bar. Click it once and a panel drops down showing several size options. If you do not see Resize, you might not be in the editor view yet, so check that the design itself is visible with all the usual editing tools. From there, click Custom Size. In the Resize panel, you will notice suggested formats like social posts or documents, but for precise control, you want the Custom Size option. Click Custom Size and the panel shifts to show two empty boxes for width and height, plus a small menu for choosing the unit of measurement. A beginner tip here, the unit can be pixels, inches, or millimeters, and Canva remembers your last choice inside the same session. Now, enter your desired width and height. Click in the width box and type the exact number you need, such as 1080 for the width of a video thumbnail in pixels. Then click in the height box and type that value as well, like 1920 for a vertical format. Double-check the unit shown next to the boxes, because typing 10 in inches is very different from 10 in pixels. If the lock icon between width and height is turned on, changing one value may auto-adjust the other to keep proportions, so turn that off if you want completely custom dimensions. With your numbers set, choose Resize. In the same panel, click the button that simply says Resize, not any other option. Canva immediately adjusts the canvas area to your new width and height, and you will see your design stretch, shrink, or reposition to fit those dimensions. Existing elements remain on the canvas, so you can now nudge or scale them as needed at the new size. You have now successfully changed your Canva template size to the exact custom dimensions you entered. If this helped you get your design to the right size, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more Canva tips.